Hello, dear friends. Today, let me introduce our hot-celled electric hot water tap. Let's focus on these models, our TA33H model. Okay, you can see this model is unique design, large luxury, and elegant. This model we now have three colors options: white, silver, and black. It has as the top quality cast aluminum heating element inside, 3.3 kilowatt, and it is Euro standard. We have CE and CB certification. There are three touch keys: the power on and power off, and increasing and decreasing temperature. The nozzle rotatable in 150 degrees, very convenient for use. And it is the constant temperature models. The setting range is 30 to 50 degrees. This is the LED digital display. And this is the handle controlled. Push forward is for cold water and back forward is for hot water. And this place can be print your logo. Looks very nice. Okay, let's try to set the temperatures to 40 degrees. Open and set the temperature to 40 degrees and open it. Then you can see the temperature is increasing gradually. And the hot water is coming very soon, within 5 seconds. Very soft. Then you can see that when the temperature reaches to 40 degrees, it will be very stable and will not change. And the hot water will be coming constantly. Okay, do you like to take it home? Yeah, if yes, welcome to contact us.